My name is Temo Molelekwa. I'm an outgoing person. I love making new friends and modeling. I really love modeling with a passion. The reason why I want to go to New York is because I want to get the opportunity to work close with those top fashion designers like Meg Jacob and Vivienne Westwood. And I would really want to see myself become one of those supermodels, making it big out there like Naomi Campbell, Tara Banks. This is how far I can go. With your vote, I know that I can make it to the top. So please vote for me and let me be given that chance to interpret the designer's artistry. Thank you.